Hey guys, welcome back. Nanny T and Little Lark. We're so excited to share another play session with you. Now this week our household has been celebrating the 4th of July, which is kind of a tricky thing to do when you live in the UK. Not exactly a treasured holiday here, eh? So you may think our 4th of July celebrations go a little bit like this.
What a nice day. 4th of July today. Of course, everything's still open here, and I've got to go to work. But I really should do something to mark the occasion. I don't know, though. Maybe. Yeah, alright then. Okay, off to work I go then.
But no, come on, we have fun. Usually we have a big old barbecue with our really good sporting British friends and a few Americans that are around. We'll blast the Hamilton, have some s'mores, a few cocktails, and just have a lovely time. But this year, that couldn't happen, could it? Thanks, Corona. So we had to make do.
To the Union, to the Revolution. Provide, may you always be satisfied.
We also had to think of a lovely way for Little Lark to celebrate. She's not exactly ready to partake in the s'mores, though she seems to think she is. So I made her a light sensory play box. Not too hard to make. Uses up those cardboard boxes we all have stacked up in our house now. And it kept her busy for a good hour. So I hope you and your mini one can enjoy this as well. Come along and play, shall we?
Light sensory box, or silent fireworks. You need a box, fairy lights, tape, and a pencil. Making it is as easy as taking your pencil and poking in some holes, and then taking your lights and sticking them in. Now, if you don't have these kind of fairy lights, you could just stick out your Christmas lights. They'll work just fine. I do prefer these kind of lights though, because they're battery powered, so you can take the box anywhere. They only cost about £3. I'll put a link in the comments where you can get them. Now, if your wires get too messy, feel free to tape them down. Otherwise, it's time to play. Switch them on and off, and let the fun begin. They're so mesmerizing for baby.
Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to send us your own ideas for fancy-free fun in the comments below. And tune in on Tuesday for new play videos.